I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Scott McIntyre. He is Chairman and CEO at Guidehouse. Scott, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you, Judy. I'm pleased to be here.
Okay, well now before we get started, just a quick note to our viewers. This interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Scott, tell me about Guidehouse. What do you do?
Sure, thanks, Judy. Guidehouse just celebrated our 5th year anniversary. We are a management and technology consulting firm. We work primarily in the regulated industries, so financial services, healthcare, energy and utilities, and the defense and aerospace industry. And we've been doing this, like I said, for 5 years, and we've had a meteoric growth story since our inception just a few years ago, and we're having a lot of fun with some great people.
All right, now talk to me about how you're disrupting the industry.
Certainly. So the business of consulting is a pretty old one in this country, and it is one that follows a lot of rules in terms of how you monetize really the intellect of your people, right? I mean, what we're doing every day for our clients is solving problems or helping them address big opportunities. At the end of the day, that requires a combination of industry insight and experience, capabilities that are functional and technical in nature, to have the credibility and the impact that our clients are willing to pay for. So the formula in management consulting among most of our competitors has been pretty rigid, and it's pretty similar. We started this business 5 years ago with the investment thesis that if we changed the model, we might be able to do something really unique, capture market share disproportionate to our competitors, grow faster than the industry average. And to do that, we took a long, hard look at how you really hire, recruit, and deploy consultants, how you get them to work together, and ultimately how that collaboration and teamwork can yield client value. And so we began with a concept that suggested that the scale of an enterprise is less important than that enterprise's ability to seek real teamwork and collaboration. So we inverted the traditional reward system. We created a 100% teamwork focused reward, and it has essentially elicited collaboration from across the business that has just unlocked great value for our clients and great growth for us. And that's been very disruptive. It's a different model. It's a different way of recruiting and rewarding people. And it taps into the thing we think is the most important in our offering, which is to really engage 16,000 employees around the world whenever, wherever we can to solve clients' problems or help them address an opportunity. And it's very, very fluid.
Now, Scott, how would you say you're helping your clients manage their most complex challenges?
Yeah, so if you think about when you hire a firm like Guidehouse, almost always, Judy, it's in a bespoke capacity, right? Because we're not doing the same thing over and over again. And so our clients have either a unique challenge or a unique opportunity. It's unique to them, right? It reflects their posture in the industry. It reflects their regulatory environment, oftentimes their own cultures and strategy. So everything we do is pretty much bespoke. And for us, it's really about deeply understanding our client's business model, the industry that they operate in, and bringing people with the right functional and technical skills, but also industry specialization to be able to come up with transformational ideas, new innovations for them that are grounded in the reality of the markets that they serve. And we believe, and I think this is an imperative for our model, that if you're just innovating for clients and you're not doing so with a real grounded vision of how your clients can actually implement what you're suggesting, you're going to fail your client. So we have we seek a confluence of deep industry knowledge, deep technical knowledge, and a pragmatic approach to solving our clients' issues. And that's working very well for our clients.
All right, well, Scott, wonderful to talk with you. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk.
Thank you, Judy, my pleasure.